The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas.
Oh, man.
Hello,
Going
Thomas.
down the hill. Wow.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Today on the island of Sodor, Thomas makes some new friends. And all the engines are busy. But first, let's see some of the animals who live on Sodor. Thomas and the pigs. There are lots and lots of farms on the island of Sodor. There are farms with sheep. There are farms with cows.